Welcome to FMEA Training, Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, powered by tonex.com. Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, FMEA, training covers the subtleties on tending to unwavering quality amid the beginning periods of design and demonstrates the participants how this technique can enhance design choices and item quality amid task. We show another method for organizing FMEA dependent on both the product's work structure relationship and the voice of the customer, VOC. Learn about quality and reliability. FMEA process as it is applied to product, process, or system, software. Value of FMEA in product and process development. Quality, reliability and failure prevention. FMEA is a tool. FMEA when it is applied to interaction of subsystems and parts or system failure mode and effects analysis, SFMEA. FMEA applied to a product or design failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. FMEA applied to a or process failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. Potential modes of failure and their relationship to product design. Discover and analyze failure modes. FMEA methods, types, roles, responsibilities, modeling, documentation, implementation. FMEA role in quality and productivity improvement. FMEA and FMEA. FMEA in the design process from the high level and preliminary design. System, product and process problems before they occur. Corrective actions to decrease risk of failure. The reasons FMEAs fail. Course content. Introduction to FMEA. Steps in the FMEA process. Inside FMEA matrix. FMEA applied. FMEA case studies and workshops. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.